Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. And I hope that I didn't just not accidentally say that twice. And today you see these, well that doesn't matter right now because of this.
And I have this golden pig and I'm going to try to open it.
Oh crap.
Start opening it.
You do that too loud. Sorry for the loud noise.
Yes.
So we basically bought 107 Pokemon cards for $7.
Pokemon cards.
What? It looked empty at first.
Oh.
That doesn't look like 107, guys.
Yeah, does that?
But
Comment below if you already got this and tell us if this is 170.
Oh yeah, you can just buy it on Amazon.
Yeah, I just bought it. I like.
Let it go.
No.
Okay, so we're hoping that we get either Pikachu or Mewtwo. I'm hoping that we got Blastoise or Squirtle.
I'm hoping we got a Pikachu, Zapdos, or Articuno because the little one.
Oh, first one that was left in here. That's a Trainer Lily. Seriously, see, look at this.
Spoink!
We got a Spoink. This thing looks shiny, but it's not. No, it's just. I have no idea. I have no idea.
We already have this one. Why?
Renko. Yeah, we have it. No, that's Rosie.
We have this one.
What's his name? Wait, that's not its name. Gruben. And we got a Mudbray.
Sandshrew.
We got a Sandshrew and a Lowen Sandshrew. This is Cottonee.
Bellsprout.
Bellsprout.
whatever his name is.
Gligar, which I have in Pokemon Go. Metang.
Tentacle,
but I don't play Pokemon Go anymore. I had it. Alolan Geodude, which doesn't really look. Fletching. I really like this one. Petilil. Beldum, which is like a foot. Wow. Sheldon. Steelix, Spirit Link. Slowbro. Let me see this. Oh, I thought you said Slowpoke for some reason. Watchog. Yeah.
A trainer.
Hello.
Ninja Boy. That does not look like a boy. That looks like a kid.
Ninja Boy card, whatever that is. A Wilmore.
Ooh.
A Dino. Bunnelby. Hackney.
Ooh,
yeah.
Miltank. Sea of Nothing.
Sea of Nothingness. Okay. Castrodon. Just checking to see if these are real.
I'm just putting them down.
Dino. We got 2 dinos. I think the cards look different. And Aeron. I don't know what that's
we got Pikachu.
Ooh, I'm going to show you the next one. I'm going to show you the... Well, this is Swinub. Then...
We have
Alolan Graveler.
We have 3 Alolan Geodudes.
Seriously? Okay, here are the doubles of Alolan Geodude. Here's another double of Alolan Geodude. Wait, did we even get Pikachu? No. I don't think we got Pikachu.
Hopefully.
But I'm going to show you. Oh, we got Minun and Terracat.
I feel like Minun or Plusle should evolve. I feel like Plusle should evolve.
Look, it's a Watchog.
Voltorb.
Ooh, Voltorb.
Magnemite. Yes, I'm
Magnemite.
telling you the one. I don't know that one's name. I'm telling you the one that.
Growlithe.
A lowland Sandshrew
awesome.
double.
Oh, a double of a lawn Sandshrew.
A Lomolo.
I love Mellow.
Voltube again. Another Voltube. Kamala.
Minko.
Lily again.
The Dewpider.
Nobody cares.
Seriously, the trainer Lily, which I'm not going to show because we already showed it. Komala.
I'm putting all the Pokemon over here. Another Minon!
Wait a second, my fingers are starting to hurt. Hello Tile.
Minon, copy!
Minun, but instead of cooler and better version.
Chinchou. Chinchou.
Snorunt.
Magneton.
Magneton.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna get a shiny. That would be awesome.
Yeah, we did get Pikachu. Ebass.
Tom. Where?
Pikachu!
We got a Pikachu. Pikachu.
And I'm not giving that Pikachu away unless I have another one. That looks green.
I'm not giving any of them away. I'm a freaky one, Marini. Freakiest thing in the world. Amalga.
The last one. Fighting Memory.
Voltorb.
Yeah, I feel like these are 100 now.
Fighting Memory.
Spearow!
Oh, we got a Spearow. Crushing Hammer.
Crushing Hammer.
Steenie.
Where's the
Gastly.
Pikachu card? Because you know how I...
Okay, now Joltik, a very ugly one.
Yeah.
What's a Joltik?
I can get the spider.
I probably already showed it and then showed it to you again. That would be hilarious.
Are there
Clang.
more Pokemon cards than this?
This is a Kimiko.
I was checking if these were all of the Pokemon.
This is a Poliwag.
A Pansum. Tentacool.
A Pancham.
Clefairy.
Caleb, stop. I'm showing them as I go. A Vanillite. Vanillite. Yeah, it looks like it. Then a Tentacruel. Then a Chinchou.
Crushing Hammer. We got
Crushing
Onyx.
Hammer again. And Onyx.
Diglett.
Wimpod.
I can't believe we got a Pikachu.
A cast form.
I'm gonna go show mine.
Ooh, another little pup.
Little pup.
It's so cool.
We already have 3 little pups now.
Fletchender. Corphish. Chimchar. See. Numel. Weeping Bell. Skiddo. Scarily. Yeah, I don't know. Charge Bug. Oh yeah, this thing's weird. It looks like a transformer.
What does?
The Mist
What
Prime.
does?
A Diglett.
Yeah, I know. What looks like a transformer with the thing?
Charge Bug.
Charge bug.
Sandshrew. Nanalone. Wingull. Mareep.
Molly.
Panpour.
And for another one, Wait. No, yeah, that's the first one we got.
Barboach. Whatever this thing is. Wishy-washy. It looks like. Machop.
Machop.
Rhino.
Feebas.
Wait, Snorunt. Fennel.
Feebas.
Yeah, this,
Yongoose.
yeah. Graveler.
Another one.
2 of these. These which I already showed in a Chinchou. But this is it for